In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal and Stripe with GoHighLevel. To get started, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main area where you manage the core setup for your account. Once you're on the Launchpad screen, look for the section related to payments or setup, and from there, you'll see an option called Integrations. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This is where you'll connect external payment providers so you can accept payments directly through GoHighLevel. First, we'll integrate PayPal. On the integrations page, you'll see PayPal listed as one of the available payment gateways. Next to PayPal, click on the Connect button. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to link your PayPal account so that you can start collecting payments through it. After you click Connect, you'll be taken to the PayPal integration screen. Here, you'll see an option for PayPal Live Mode. Live mode means real transactions with real money, as opposed to a test or sandbox mode. Under PayPal Live Mode, click on Connect. This will open a secure PayPal window where you'll log in and authorize the connection. You'll now see a field asking for your email address. Click into the email field and type the email address that you use to log into your PayPal business account. Make sure this is the correct PayPal login email, because this is how PayPal will identify your account. Next, you'll see a country or region selector. Click on that dropdown and choose the country or region where your PayPal account is registered. This is important for currency, taxes, and compliance, so pick the one that matches your existing PayPal setup. Once your email and region are set, click on Next. From here, PayPal will guide you through the rest of the integration process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your account and grant GoHighLevel permission to process payments. It's usually just a matter of logging in, confirming details, and approving access. Now, let's integrate Stripe, which follows a very similar process. Go back to the GoHighLevel integrations page by using the Go Back option or navigating again to the Payments Integrations area. On that page, you'll see Stripe listed as another payment provider. Click on Connect next to Stripe. You'll then be taken to the Stripe integration screen inside GoHighLevel. Here, click on the Stripe option to begin the connection. This will open a secure Stripe window where you can either log into an existing Stripe account or create a new one if needed. You'll see a field asking for your email address. Click into the email address field and enter the email you use to log into your Stripe account. Again, double check that this is the correct login email to avoid any connection issues. After entering your email, click on Continue. Stripe will take you through the rest of the integration steps, which are very straightforward. Typically, you'll confirm your account, verify your business details if required, and then authorize Stripe to connect with GoHighLevel. Once you finish those prompts, your Stripe account will be fully linked. At this point, both PayPal and Stripe are integrated with GoHighLevel, and you're ready to start accepting payments through your